Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth type differential equation, that is linear equation of first order. Now any linear equation of first order looks like dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x alone or constant. Okay, now if our first order first degree ODE, that is dy dx equal to f of xy, or we can write m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So if our first order first degree ODE is exact, that means if del m del y equal to del n del x, then we can say this is exact. But if this equation is not exact, then there are some technique to make this equation exact. So there are a term that is called integrating factor. So what is an integrating factor? An integrating factor is a multiplying factor by which the equation can be made exact. So integrating factor is a multiplying factor by which the equation can be made exact. Now see, this is our given linear equation of first order. Say numbering it as 1. So in this case the integrating factor will be of 1 will be e to the power integration p dx. Okay, if this is our given linear equation of first order, then the corresponding integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx, and the general solution of 1 will be y into e to the power integration p dx equal to integration, this right portion is q e to the power integration p dx plus any arbitrary constant c, where c is any arbitrary constant. Okay, so this portion is integrating factor, this is integrating factor, and this is the form of general solution of the given linear equation of first order. Now coming to a problem. Say this is our problem. Solve dy dx plus y cot x equal to 2 cos x. So this is our given ODE. Now clearly we can see that this is of the form dy dx plus py equal to q, where p is cot x and q is 2 cos x. So here p, q are functions of x alone or constant. Both are functions of x alone. So this is a linear equation of first order in y. Therefore integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx, that is e to the power integration cot x dx, that is e to the power log sin x, and this is equal to sin x. Now the general solution of 1, that is our given ODE, is y into integrating factor, that is sin x, equal to integration q is 2 cos x 2 cos x, then integrating factor sin x dx plus c. Okay, here dx plus c. Then this is 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. So integration sin 2x dx plus c, that is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So y into sin x equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. This is our required general solution of the given linear equation of first order. This. So in this way we can solve any linear equation of first order. In the upcoming videos we can discuss more interesting topics. Keep watching. Thank you.